Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know it is time to change your transmission fluid? If you have no idea when the last time you changed your transmission fluid, I'm going to give you guys some pointers that it is time to change your transmission fluid. The first sign that you know that it is time to change your transmission fluid is that your transmission fluid color looks dark brown. Brand new transmission fluid looks pink or red. And when transmission fluid looks dark brown, it's because it is old and the transmission fluid is breaking down, caused by heat, caused by friction, caused by contamination such as dirt, metal particles, and friction material from the clutch. Also, if your transmission fluid kind of looks like strawberry milkshake, it means that transmission fluid is already contaminated. It got contaminated caused by a bad transmission cooler, which allows coolant to seep inside the transmission, or water or moisture found its way into the transmission and is causing that transmission fluid to look like strawberry milkshake. Another way to tell that it is time to change your transmission fluid is to smell the fluid. Old fluid will smell kind of burnt and it smells extremely unpleasant. And fresh transmission fluid smells pretty sweet and it's almost odorless. Another reason to change your transmission fluid is that you're getting some sort of symptoms. For example, if you notice that your vehicle is shuddering, maybe caused by the torque converter, sometimes changing the transmission fluid and doing a simple drain and refill can actually fix that issue. If you notice erratic shift or your transmission is slipping or you notice delayed shifting, sometimes dirty transmission fluid can cause the shift solenoid passage to clog and it can prevent it from functioning properly and it can cause those symptoms. And again, just do a simple drain and refill. Whatever you do, do not flush out your transmission because deposits inside your transmission is holding your transmission together. If those deposits break off caused by a transmission flush, it's going to cause a deposit to circulate inside the transmission and it can cause a lot of issues. For example, deposits inside the transmission can cause clogs inside your transmission. Also, if the deposit break off around the seal or gasket, it can cause the transmission to start leaking fluid. It is better to do 2 or 3 simple drain and refill. And if you change your transmission fluid and you start to notice symptoms or your transmission failed afterward, changing the transmission fluid had nothing to do with your transmission. In fact, your transmission was already failing. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.